Riding bikes is fun, and while it's tempting to just hop on and go, no bicycle is indestructible. That's why regular safety checks will help ensure your bicycle is in safe riding condition. This video outlines some areas to check. Be sure your stem riser and seat post are inserted at least to the minimum insertion mark and are properly secured. Tires are inflated to the correct pressure. Brakes are working properly. Ensure all quick releases are closed and securing correctly. Note that an industry-wide recall affects quick releases that, when improperly adjusted or left open, have a lever that can catch in a disc brake rotor. Also look for signs of damage to the fork and frame, such as cracks, dents, or deformation. Some high-stress areas include the fork crown, tube junctions, clamping and latching points, and pivot areas. If you find anything wrong, please do not ride your bike. Contact us or have a trusted local bike shop review the issue. We're here to make sure you will safely enjoy your Bike Friday for many years to come.